This is your website. Why did you take domain from name and hosting from Hostinger?
Sorry, Guruji, can you repeat the question?
Why did you take domain from name and hosting from Hostinger, from different things?
Yes, Guruji, because in that our DDIP program, Kamna Jain, she suggested in the recorded session, it is always better to have domain and hosting in two different servers.
पागल है वो,
So that
she
is
is
why
mad. पागल है वो, she is mad. बेगम ने बनी.
mm. The domain is a name and the host is a Hostinger, Guruji.
Yeah. So earlier, how did you connect your domain to this Hostinger? Do you remember?
Domain to Hostinger, Guruji. So what I did is, in this Hostinger, I have this, what is it, just one second. So, so here this name server is there, right, Guruji. So these two names, ns1.dns. So these two I had in Hostinger. I got an email. So Hostinger, this name server, I am just pointing here to my domain.
These are Hostinger's name server?
Yeah, yes, correct.
Then why the website is not working?
I don't know, Guruji. I just tried in Google. It said it will take some 24 or 48 hours, but I'm not sure whether I have to do anything in that record, because last time you added some record, right? MXA record like that you did. So I'm not sure whether do we need to do anything with that. Here in this Hostinger, I was able to see it. MXA, like that you added the record.
Those records are only for email, for nothing else.
Oh, okay. But in that case, the website should be up and running, right? Still,
Yes,
digitalstorage.com.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
And in Google, we did not add any custom URL.
Mm-hmm.
So since that day your website is not working and only yesterday you told me, right?
Yes, Guruji, yeah.
You should have told me
Even,
as soon as you noticed. You should have told me.
yes, Guruji, I was completely occupied in my office work, so I couldn't connect with you. Yeah. But just 2 days before, I thought I will start refreshing on regular basis. So at that point of time, I found out my website was down.
Hmm.
Actually, in our Google admin, we got some message that Guruji, it will take some 24 to 48 hours to reflect. At that point of time, also some error message was displaying.
Where?
In our admin.google, here if you go to that, here also we made some changes. Here, manage domains, Guruji. See here some messages, the Gmail activation. And this one, alias, it was active at that point of time. The domain was down. I tried these options, but I was not sure.
Name servers are correct.
On the day here, we added this Google Workspace details regularly.
Hmm.
So these records, does this need to be added in hosting regularly instead of name?
No, in domain.
It will be in the domain only, right? Okay.
In DNS.
on the day, just we use this existing domain just for email
Yeah.
access.
For
That's
email.
all, is it? Other than that, we didn't do anything, right, Guruji?
Yeah.
But because of that, the website should not be down, right? It should be
Yes.
active and running.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Mm. This IP address is obtained from where, Guruji? This
Sorry?
194. This
What?
IP address
Yeah, this is IP address.
for, this my current IP address, is it?
Mm-hmm. You can come back to here later and you can check this custom URL. So this is pending. It will take some time to get
Okay.
updated. And website also I have connected here. What is this? This is something wrong.
In the first record, you have mentioned twice, Guruji, digitalsuraj.com, .digitalsuraj.com. Is it correct?
Deleting.
Ah,
It will take some time.
okay.
As you type. See this? Read this.
MX record specifies mail servers that handle incoming emails. If you want to use Hostinger servers to receive emails sent to your domain, you need to change your domain's MX record.
So MX records only talks about email. These records.
Okay.
These records have nothing to do with your website up and down.
Right. Domain.
There might have been some other issue, and this was for your domain verification from Google.
Mm.
So all these records have nothing to do with your website going down. Let's see what is the issue. If this resolves the issue, then okay. If it does not, then we have to talk with people at Hostinger.
Okay.
Hopefully it should resolve. Otherwise,
So now, what is the fix that you have given, Guruji? You have added that MX record, is it?
no. I have MX records were added earlier for Gmail.
Already earlier, yeah.
I have recorded A records for your website at Hostinger, and I have recorded CNAME record for Google website. So Hostinger website will open with this digitalsuraj.com and blog.digitalsuraj.com,
Okay.
and Google website will open with this www.digitalsuraj.com. So let's see. It should open actually. This is for emails. Na? Emails go to spam folders.
Okay.
So in order to avoid that, we have to add one record, that is text record. Answer is this, and this is Google domain key. And what is the TTL? TTL, any idea? TTL, how much is the TTL? Then click start authentication. TTL can be as it is, no problem. This is for email authentication. Okay. Now, it may take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. So whatever changes we have done in DNS, so this change and these three changes, they may take some time, up to 48 hours.
Okay.
I mean, if DNS and hosting are on same platform, they take less time. If they are on different platforms, they take more time.
Okay.
And there is no logic that domain should be on different and hosting should be on different. That is a big bullshit. Anyone tells. I don't know why they tell all these fancy things. Do you know the reason?
No, Guruji, I don't know.
Oh my God. People are so innocent in India.
That is why we come for learning. So when we do learning, like.
But sometimes, Suraj, I think that people are so good. People like Deepak Kanakraj who are so good that they do not mind. No, they are giving cashbacks now, yaar.
Yeah, that is a different strategy.
They are giving cashback, so they can do anything.
The cashback, see, it is one point just to make us consistent. That is one point. But on the other side, I definitely feel like there is learning is there, but like
so
little bit fundamental things should be there. Fundamental.
So cashback is fine, but in the last assignment, they should reveal everything, right? And domain, from name.com, right? So you clicked on you most probably, means there are thousands of students, you most probably clicked on their link only, right?
No, Guruji. Name, Hostinger, I clicked on there, that affiliate link.
But they provided you name.com link also, na?
Name also they provided, yes.
So that is your mistake, but they were expecting you to click on that.
So they give 4 to 5 different options. In Hostinger, the URL itself come with Deepak/Hostinger like that.
Host, different, affiliate commission. So if you are going to one platform, they are going to get one commission only. And if they are referring 2 platforms, so they are getting 2 commissions.
That is the reason.
That is the only reason.
But technically, is there any advantage or
no, not at all.
Disadvantage?
Not at all.
What is the difference between GoDaddy and all, Guruji? Why they are not recommending GoDaddy and all?
GoDaddy domain is super awesome. I mean, there is nothing wrong with domain. You can go take domain from GoDaddy. You can go take domain from anywhere. But like
Okay.
if I tell you the best in terms of domain management, one is
Okay.
GoDaddy and other one is Google.
Mm-hmm.
But these people do not mention Google. Why? Because no affiliate commission, na? And GoDaddy they are not referring because GoDaddy has become very poor in service. So as far as domain management is concerned, no service is required, right? No service is required. Service is required only for hosting. So I have been using GoDaddy for 7 years. So earlier they used to provide a super awesome service, but for the last 2.5 years, their service has been stopped. So it is very poor. It is very poor. Headache.
Okay.
And in the last, they have made many mistakes because this DDIP was for beginners, right? So they have made many mistakes. So one is they did not mention how to set up Facebook ads correctly. Means they did not mention that you have to warm up your Facebook account, then you have to complete all the identification and legal steps of Facebook. Then only you should try to run ads. So what people did, people started their ad account and their ad account got banned. Right? So this is a huge mistake by DDIP, one mistake. Second mistake DDIP did that they did not mention managed WordPress. So they should have taught managed WordPress. But why they did not do this? Because Deepak recorded all these lessons 2 years ago. At that time, managed WordPress was not in trending. But these days, managed WordPress means lots of things are taken care automatically. Means you are not required to do anything. Just to go set up your website and start. So cPanel and all this shit is not required. Next mistake, I think they should have included Wix websites because they are super awesome websites. I don't know why they are not mentioning. And Google website. Google websites are free. Because believe me, Google, you can create a complete sales funnel on Google. Complete. That is one possibility.
Google, is there any restriction in customization of the website, like WordPress or like that, or we can have all the features in Google itself, as similar to WordPress?
All the required features you can have, not all fancy features. Fancy features are not available, and I think you don't need fancy features, right?
Okay.
Like you go to office, you need formal shirt, formal trouser, formal shoes, formal tie, right?
Yeah.
So, do you need any fancy features to be successful there? You don't need, right?
Basic, you recommend it there. What? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So now it depends like what kind of shirt, what quality of shirt you are wearing. That is a different thing, right? So Google sites are giving you everything what you need, everything. The thing is that you may not know, or you are just looking for some fancy suit or fancy dresses. That's a different story. Otherwise, Google is giving you everything. So this is my website, suniltimes.com, and this is my website, ococ.justwire.com. This site can't be reached. Why? What happened? So, what do you think about this website? Is there anything wrong?
It's good. Yeah.
Menu is there, search is there, call to action is there, header
We
is
can
there.
also add this dynamic thing also, will be like that running letters. It is all possible.
No, not required. Na? That's fancy feature.
Not
Na?
required.
That's a fancy feature. So YouTube video is there. Then you have text. Then you have button. Then you have text. Then you have these photos. And
you can also integrate this WhatsApp call to action. Also, it's possible.
yeah, yes. But WhatsApp call to action is not advisable.
Mm-hmm.
So
Now we have that customer chat message box and all, no? So that and all it is
not advisable.
here.
Not advisable these days.
Mm-hmm.
Not advisable. Only call to action is advisable. Where people are going and putting their name and email ID. Only then they should start communicating with us. First they should give us their name and email ID.
Mm-hmm.
Right or wrong?
Yeah.
First they should give their name and email ID. Then only they have right to talk to us. So
Yeah.
this website is simple and easy to understand. Na? I mean,
Yes.
I am getting high ticket clients just from this website.
Mm-hmm.
This is free.
Mm-hmm.
This is free. See,
Mm-hmm.
this is free and very fast.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you check this, what is that called? GT Matrix.
Mm.
That is the website no? Where we check website performance.
Yes.
One of the tools. There are many.
Mm.
One of the. How fast does your website load? And there is no cache plugin, Suraj.
Mm-hmm.
So in WordPress you have to do cache plugin, Akismat and that and blah blah blah. So much headache is there.
Mm-hmm.
Unnecessary headache.
Mm-hmm.
And I can tell you, billionaires are using Google sites. See, what is the performance?
99, 97, yeah.
Everything is super green.
Mm-hmm.
A grade website.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is on Google's platform, na?
Yeah.
Also it is light, you can make it more light, you can make it 100% by reducing the quality of the images.
Mm-hmm.
So by optimizing images you can improve. Contact is there.
Mm-hmm.
So contact is again Google form.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier I gave my mobile number and all those things here,
Mm-hmm.
but later I removed.
Okay.
What is the need? I mean, if somebody is sincere, then the person will provide his details.
Mm-hmm.
This is terms and conditions, payment page.
Mm-hmm.
I have not mentioned anything about.
Mm-hmm.
So, for more, check justwaya.com about. That's it. That is the website for my this product, and this is my website, my personal website.
Mm-hmm.
So there you can see photo is there,
Mm-hmm.
and this thing, video, student testimonial, what do I do, why do I do this, about me, my social media links, I coach, I speak, content copywriting. So design is there, na? See, fancy design.
Yeah.
You can use images and buttons.
Mm-hmm.
And these images, this kind of images you can use to make it more attractive.
Mm-hmm.
So design, you can create any kind of design. This thing, and buttons, photos. So pretty much everything is there, na?
Mm-hmm.
This is the footer.
Yeah.
And in footer also I have this call to action. Then I have this Calendly. Ask anything related to digital marketing now. I am charging approximately 249 something.
Mm-hmm.
249 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Because Suraj, no, there has been so many people now, they are asking, Guruji, I need your help for 1 hour. Guruji, I need help for website and so this and that. So how can I give help? Like, I need to give them at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, right?
Yes.
So how can I give that? I mean, if they ask me general query, for that I can create a YouTube video. For that I can reply to them, and I always do that. But like if they are
You're
looking
already
for
doing that in the Telegram channel, yes.
yeah, and if they are looking for some custom help, how can they expect it for free, right?
Yeah.
I am a coach. That is my paid. I mean, that's my profession, and you are asking for my services for free. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. And you know,
Correct.
if you are paying 249 rupees for 30 minutes, I don't think that's very costly thing. If I am giving you the right advice, right now? So
Yes.
just trying to implement it. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Guruji, I have one doubt. See, normally, the domain name I created is digitalsuraj.com, and you mentioned that just for the email purpose, we have used the domain name, that is info@digitals.com, right? That is the main purpose. Okay, but we can, in the Google platform itself, we can have an email as well as the domain name in Google itself, right? That is also possible, right? Why, like, is that possible? That is my second
I'm
question.
understanding. I understood your question yesterday itself. That is not required. That is not required. But we can have. We can have a different domain. We can have a different email ID. But that is not required. That would be being stupid or foolish or I don't know what. That is not required. See, I have my domain suniltimes.com, right?
Okay.
suniltimes.com.
Okay.
So this is our domain, and if you see, check domain authority. I started this website, I think this year only. I mean this year only, prior to DDIP. I mean 15 to 30 days ago, I started this website.
Okay.
Earlier I was using only Just Bazaar. So this is suniltimes.com, and I think you also took your domain in April or May, right? May, June.
Yes. After joining the DDAP program, only I created domain and all.
Yeah, so May or June.
Yes.
So the age of our domains are pretty much equal. Let's see the authority. So Digital Suraj has one authority. I have 7 authority.
Okay.
And what is this spam score? That is 28%. That is shit, man. More is stupid. So Alexa ranking, I have 2,14,000. You have 0 Alexa ranking. So page authority, see, 29. So your page authority is 1, my page authority is 29. 29 is so much.
Okay.
And what is this TV? Total backlinks. I already have 95 backlinks. And most probably all these backlinks are from DDIP interns.
Yeah, right.
Right. So I never said no to them. I kept giving them those backlinks, and they kept giving me backlinks. So that's how I already have 95, and all these 95 backlinks are relevant because all these people are related to digital marketing, na? So that was, I mean, I paid approximately 1,000 rupees to DDIP, and for 1,000 I got 95 backlinks and 5 students. So that was a very winning, profitable affair for me.
Okay.
So quality backlinks 44. So out of 95, 44 are quality backlinks.
Okay.
And percentage of quality backlinks 46%. Right. And this is MT, Moz Trust. So Moz has 3 trust in me. So Moz Trust is from 1 to 10. So 3 is the Moz Trust, and it will increase because the website is still new. Spam score is 28%. So I do lots of spam as per them. So off-page SEO score is also good, 37%. So that is off-page SEO. Age is 281 days. Yours is 147 days. So almost doesn't make any difference. After 2 years will be same. So my website is in India. Trust flow, citation flow very good, 19. Number of index URLs 150. Yours is 20. To follow backlinks 99%. Means 99% because all my DDIP batchmates gave me these backlinks. That is the reason all backlinks are do follow. List of backlinks and the domain authority. What is domain authority? History of domain authority. So MD. History of domain authority. My domain authority was 6, then it went down, then it is now 7. 7. So 7. As per Mohs. And if I check hrefs DA, DA checker. First of all, I don't care about these things. I just do my work. I don't care about all these things.
So in my case,
see, my domain rating as per Mohs, my domain rating is 7. But as per hrefs, my domain rating is 28. And as per hrefs, I have got 130 backlinks and 53% do follow. So, if hrefs is making me happy, I will believe hrefs. Right. So, yeah. So why my website has got this much exposure? Because on ConvertKit I have this no.suniltimes.com, right? Subdomain.
Okay.
And here school.suniltimes.com. So this is one domain. Now this is store.suniltimes.com. So if I am creating a new website, I am not creating a domain. I am creating just subdomain. Store.suniltimes.com. And if I have ftdm.suniltimes.com.
Suniltimes.com, Guruji, you created in which domain?
Google domains.
Google domain itself.
Yeah. Wherever you create, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter actually. Wherever you create, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm telling you.
Okay. So in my case, Guruji, how can I create another new domain in Google itself?
Domain or subdomain?
No, see, now digitalsuraj.com is one thing which I created with name and in a combination. Okay. So, but I want to check with you whether I can create a fresh new domain where I want to use that domain and I want to.
I got your point. You are stuck at the same point. Why do you want to get a new domain? Tell me. Tell me, why do you need a new domain? You can play in Google without domain also. And I have already created a domain for you in Google. That is www.digitalsuraj.com. That will go to Google now. This is going to Google. Yeah, I think it has started working.
Okay.
1 minute.
So it will point to Google and will come with it.
Yeah, it will point to Google. So links very change. I have to make it to public. So take the link.
Here I can add more and more features like blogs. Everything I can do.
Blogs you continue on WordPress. See, this is working. www.digitalsuraj.com home is working. Okay. So that's good. Now let me check your website digitalsuraj.com. That one is not working still. It will work, don't worry. I have made the changes. So if it is not working, we can connect again tomorrow.
Okay.
So don't worry about that. That's my responsibility. So this one is not working. So but this one is working. Digital. So the www.digitalsuraj.com is working. Clear? So here you can create your home page. and then you can,
why this is working and that is not working, Guruji?
because Google is fast than name.com or hostingit.com.
Mm-hmm.
That can be the reason, na?
Mm-hmm.
Because we made the changes correctly.
Okay, Guruji, but suppose if I want to create one more, say for example, I got a client and I want to create one more domain.
So
in that case,
you should create that in Google.
I have to create that in Google, is it?
Yeah, please accept this any day. Because Google domain is very easy to manage.
Mm-hmm.
So, and also you know what, in Google you have option to create WordPress website. In Google you have option to create Google website. In Google you have option to create Wix website. In Google you have option to create multiple types of website. So that is the freedom. Let me show you. How can I show that? How can I show that?
So suppose like, do you have any video or something like can I create a new domain in Google itself like that? The same email ID. Business codes 21 cents.
Have you ever logged into this or not?
Yes, I logged in, Guruji. Yeah. Same password what you have given, I will see.
123945.
Yeah, yes.
This. Learn to create amazing website.
Okay.
So
I can follow
super
step by step.
adding images, adding attractive link, subscribe to Google Workspace, password problem. And whatever I've been doing, I'm recording that and I'm publishing here. So, are you getting the voice?
Yes. So I can follow all these videos and create a website.
Yes, see, I have uploaded all the steps here.
Okay.
So, adding images, videos, and if you have any questions, let me know. I will add that also here.
Okay.
So, assign a domain and you have so many lessons here. So this is Blue Ocean Google website, this is affiliate marketing, and this is create a social media agency. That is from Sam Rathi I copied. Digital marketing, SEO course, Canva course. Canva I have uploaded a few lessons. Then this is fast track digital marketing. So earnings from social media management, fast track digital marketing. So this is the SEMrush. So this is SEMrush. I have already uploaded here.
Okay. It is under social media, Guruji?
Yeah, social media management.
Okay.
In fast track.
Okay.
So about this now you were asking SEMrush.
Yes.
So this complete SEMrush lesson is already uploaded here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So after completing this lesson, you can share your experience here.
Okay.
That would be good. And the social media cold message template. So see blue box, you see how I send cold messages. Dear Rakesh Prasadi.
Okay.
Would you like
And one
me to
more.
So you just copy this message and send to the people, or if you can create your own, you can create. First message you need to send to me, I am waiting for your action. Then send to 20 business owners today itself. And share the report with me. So I am waiting here to be your accountable partner. But you need to take action, na? How to generate leads and start sales funnel. So this lesson is
recorded version, yeah. Brilliant. One more thing on this, in our DDIP event, in this social media thing, we created the Facebook ads and Google. There we created this target audience, like geographical location wise. And all those users, they thought, yeah.
Banna payment to done. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Tell me, Suraj.
Yes, one question I have on this social media thing. In our DDIP assignment, we created Facebook this ads posters. Then we linked that post to one URL. So once the user clicks that particular post, then he can see our website and they will inquire, and that will come as a thank you page. That conversion was happening, and I will get his contact details, CM, email, and contact details. So similarly, like, do you have any best way to get those kind of leads into my funnel? Is there any option available? Say, for example, I have developed one website, the one that you showed, www.digitalsource.com, where I have some, I just want to have from your end, like, okay, in that particular website, what are the content, like at least some features, okay, so you have these days, etc. to start with, so that, like, once some of my client sees my particular website, so some that like I just want to have in website. Okay, what are the things good to have in the website? That is one question. And second question, like, since you mentioned yesterday, in SEMrush I can connect to multiple social media platforms. So I just want to have one solution from you, like through one particular ad. Okay, I want to set a geographical location. Say, for example, I want my client based in Rajasthan. Okay, in that entire Rajasthan, I want to share post to them where they will inquire about that particular post to me, and then I will have I want to have filter those leads, and then I want to do an action, like I will conduct a webinar, something like that. So is there any best way?
So what kind of services you want to give?
Yes, services are purely related to my work only, Guruji. Right now I am working.
So what you can do, you can create another landing page in Google.
Okay.
Another landing page. And
now suppose if one customer is referring, he will refer to my primary site only. So in that website I should have some basic information about me. So that is
no. That is not advisable.
Oh, that is not advisable. Okay.
Oh man, you have to create a landing page, services.
Okay.
And we will make it services.digitalsuras.com. And here you can add your photo. Okay. Photo. Here you can add your photo. And here you can add details heading, details subheading, and details. So this is subheading, and this is this. Then
this is one blank template. In this blank template, we are creating one landing page.
Yes. So you have to create this your landing page. This one.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Hmm.
and apart from this, you have to create Google form.
Hmm. Okay.
Google form should be simple, not a problem.
Hmm.
It will start your work very
Hmm.
fast.
Hmm.
Don't worry.
Hmm.
Choose anyway. So it has been 1.5 hours since we have joined.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
So contact for services from digital source. Okay. So
Hmm.
we need to add only name. That's it. Then settings, responses, allow, collect email address. This restriction and allow response editing. Yeah, correct. Progress bar, confirmation message. Thanks for your inquiry. Please check your email for more details.
Hmm.
Form defaults, collect email addresses, question defaults. This is done. So your contact form is ready. Simple.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. If you want to add something in your contact form, then here you
Hmm.
can. So for services like
Hmm.
digital marketing, sales
Hmm.
funnel, world-class website, and lead generation, contact me. Okay, so this is
Hmm.
done. Then take the link,
Hmm.
then go here, then
Hmm.
Gearbox, announcement banner,
Hmm.
contact for digital marketing services, inquiry, banner color should be this. Contact now. This is the link. And this is the only form you have to place everywhere on your WordPress,
Hmm.
on your
Hmm.
social media, on your
Hmm.
website,
Hmm.
Instagram,
Hmm.
LinkedIn,
Okay.
everywhere the same form.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
don't need another form, okay? So
Okay.
what you have to do, shorten the URL,
Hmm.
this, okay, copy now, bit.ly, so Google,
I can use that URL straight away, Guruji. Why I need Bitly here?
what you can use?
No, the URL, shorten URL you mentioned, na? So that URL, I can straight away use it, paste it, right? So why, what is the purpose of this Bitly?
I will show you.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
For this,
Oh,
so you can remember this URL now.
okay, understood. Okay.
If you if you are on the way, you can
Hmm.
easily type this for
Yes, yes,
anyone.
yes. Okay, got it. Hmm.
So, the inquiry for digital marketing services,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
contact now. And here again, you can insert. See, all these options are here. Text box,
Okay.
images, drive, embed, layouts,
Hmm. Hmm.
collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel,
Hmm.
button, placeholder,
Hmm.
YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, Slides, amazing feature. Sheets, forms, charts. So, so much is there. Contact me and have for free 30 minutes discussion. The same link.
Okay.
So, and you know what? When you are writing this, always keep this center. When you are writing this, you can link these keywords to your website blog.digitalgurus.com for with the article where you have mentioned about integrated digital marketing services. So that is how you transfer the traffic to your websites. So this should go here. So this is another call to action. See how fancy, how good it is looking. Simple, sober, good looking.
Yes.
So here you can add the details as per you, and here again you can add details, more services, and here you can add photo, like search engine marketing. Here you can add one more photo for like sales funnels. Details here. Like that you can do anything. I mean, you can continue building email marketing. Details here. Simple. You can create a website like this. You can replace this photo, upload select image, upload select image. You can do SEO. So SEO like add all text, digital marketing expert. And in which city you are?
Chennai.
So if you want to mention Chennai, you can. If you do not want to mention, don't mention digital marketing expert. Chennai, digital, Suraj, apply. So SEO done. In WordPress, you have to do so many things for SEO. Here SEO done.
Yeah.
So Google is looking for images with all text, and then Google considers the text. Nothing else is required for SEO, my dear friend. Nothing else.
Oh.
That is all bullshit, man. Nowadays. Title, meta description, not unnecessary. Today only I shared one post related to let me show you SEO. So blog, how to learn SEO. It is. So I have written so much here, you can go through and find it. I have written it original. This is original content.
Okay.
So read more here about learning SEO. So here means it will go to my other website.
Oh.
So here I have written something in detail. So
So basically, in my primary website, digitalsuraj.com, I need to write blogs regularly, and what all the information I need to have there, Guruji?
Yes.
Hmm.
You see, you need to watch this video I have created today.
Oh, okay.
Your YouTube is not working.
Oh.
But you have made the payment, right?
Yes, yes.
No idea why it is not working.
Oh, it is another thing, Guruji.
What?
It's a paid YouTube, is it?
No.
YouTube should work, right? Yeah.
So, this is the video, Chandra, and you were asking. Send the information in the email. I have created the whole email, whole video.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
So, what was that you asked me? Yeah, blog. So, write a blog post at least every 3 days. Share that on Medium, Blogspot, WordPress, Tumblr, Facebook. Convert that blog post into a video. Share that video everywhere. So, these are the secrets I apply.
Okay.
You should also apply, dear friend. There is no other way. There is no other way. This is the only way you have to do it. I mean, if you are thinking that by running ads only you can get good business, not possible, I think. Because even after running ads, some people will go to your website and they will see what is there. So, like in case I am telling them, Sunil Thames Guruji is a big expert of digital marketing. So, people will simply go to Google, Sunil Thames Guruji, who is he? Right? So, they are finding, they will go to the website, they will open the website, they will find a lot. This Google is showing me, na? Really? Is it happening? Seriously, Suraj?
To see you.
Is it happening?
Yeah. It's good to see you in the Google search, yeah.
Oh, this feature, this one is first time.
Oh.
1 minute, digital MK Jha, that is also very Kamina person, na? Yeah, digital MK Jha not coming here. On the right side, and digital Deepak. Yeah, digital Deepak is coming, but with Google My Business. Okay. So, Sunil Thames Guruji. Wow, man. I should congratulate myself. So, Google is giving special attention to me.
Yes.
Because of my continuous work.
Yeah.
So, if somebody is going to Google and searching Sunil Thames Guruji, that person will be impressed, na?
Yeah.
And the person will be giving business willingly.
Yes. Because you are popular.
Yeah. So you just have to create your social media presence. That is how you will get good business. So I have shared all the secrets in that video on YouTube.
Okay.
So, and things will take time. So I have been doing all these things for 7 years. And if you have noticed that without getting tired, I work, I provide support, I provide everything.
Yeah.
I don't get tired, right?
Yeah.
I am very lazy, but I don't get tired. So I'm very happy. Thanks to you that I could see this result.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah.
This is awesome, man. I don't know what kind of result is this, but normally it was not there. It was not there.
Okay.
Never. This is the first time I'm seeing.
Okay.
So Sunil Thames Guruji and best SEO expert in India, if I tell them, so I'm coming on the top. In India, I'm coming on the top. Can you believe this?
Yeah, excellent.
So, obviously, they will be giving business to me. So, the only thing is just continue doing. Nothing else. And let me check your website is there or not. But it will be there, don't worry. Within 2 days, I will rectify it. If it is not going to be live by tomorrow morning, then I will do everything possible tomorrow.
Okay.
Right now,
Guruji.
right now I'm just checking.
No, it is up.
It is bad,
It is up
Suraj.
now, Guruji.
So you can have confidence in me, man.
Yeah, it is up now, yeah.
Do you have confidence in me now?
Sorry, Guruji?
Do you have confidence in me now?
Gee, come on.
So you don't need a different domain,
I
Suraj.
have confidence from you long back. That is the reason. Without second thought,
Yeah. So
I
blog dot digital Suraj, that will also come. If that has come, yeah, your account has been created, successfully installed on server. Please delete the file. Okay, don't worry. I will look into this in a day or two. If it is not going to start working on its own, but digital Suraj is working.
Yeah. Yes.
And see www dot, that is here.
Yeah. So I just want to understand what exactly I have to do in this website and my primary website.
Okay. Okay. Now digital Suraj, you have to log in here. WP admin. That is the last step I am going to do in this session.
Yeah. Because I want to basically understand. Now I have one website in Google itself, another website through Hostinger, that is digitalsuraj.com.
So the Hostinger you are going to use only for blog.
Okay.
Only
Hostinger.
for blog, yeah. Only for blog, nothing else. So what to do now?
So here I can add as many blogs as possible. Okay.
So digital Suraj web, edit website. Edit website. Have you created your logo?
Guruji, not it. I don't know how to create it, so I just asked.
So I can tell you secret how to do that. And I am showing you my secret. This is my logo.
Simple.
No, not simple. My photo.
Yeah. Like you just use your photo as a logo. Yeah.
You know why? Because if you copy this and go to, where is your Facebook? Facebook. Where is your Facebook? Can you log in? Or you can open your WhatsApp or Facebook? Something like that.
It is a long time I used Facebook.
You don't use Facebook?
I'm not too active, Guruji, in Facebook.
No, don't be active as a social media addict. Be active as a digital marketing professional.
Yes. Yeah, you have to learn all those
okay, don't worry. What happens actually, when I copy this and share it on Facebook, what happens, it was giving my logo. My logo was boring. Nobody is interested in logo. So I put my photo here. Now when I share, let me share it with you on WhatsApp. I am sharing with you.
Okay.
Now, when I am sharing it on WhatsApp, check your WhatsApp, my photo is coming, and that is something people find interesting.
Oh, here it is.
Huh? So earlier my photo was coming, logo. Earlier logo was coming, now photo is coming. So
this is coming automatically.
Yes, it is taking from favicon and from the logo. So my suggestion to you right now, Deepak said, you remember Digital Deepak, he said that personal branding, use your personal name, personal photo.
Right.
So why not use your photo, man?
Yeah.
Just use your photo, just have a nice, good looking smiling photo like this.
Okay.
And just use that.
Okay.
That's it. And remove the background from Canva by using Canva. If you do not have Canva, send that photo to me and I will remove the background for you.
Okay, Guruji. Okay.
So,
So, Guruji, so another three more questions I have for you very quickly. So, one question is, you mentioned in my Hostinger domain, I will concentrate that website only for blogs.
yeah, 1 minute.
Ah,
So, where is that? Hostinger, you are going to focus on blogs. Yeah, only blogs, nothing else. Nothing else. I mean,
but
you
here
can
I
have,
need to,
you
here
can
also I
have
can use some lead capturing things. Can I implement here?
in blogs.
Some collecting the data here, like email
No.
ID.
1 minute. Whenever you are writing a blog post, call to action will always be there, and that is your Google form.
Mm-hmm.
So let's mark it digitally. This is wrong. I am removing it.
Okay.
Digital Suraj.
Mm.
Professional digital marketing services. Not required. It is required. Integrated.
Okay.
Site icon. Change image. You have a photo already?
Right now I don't have in my local machine, Guruji, but I will add it. Yeah.
Okay. Add it later. So
Okay.
can you arrange it somehow? Let's finish the work.
No, Guruji, it is in another laptop. This is one temporary laptop I was using. I
Don't
will
worry.
fix
Don't
it
worry.
up and yeah. I will change it, Guruji. Sorry. Yeah.
So layout setting, don't worry. Typography, don't worry. Don't need unnecessary things. TV header format. So first of all, we don't need this theme. This theme is stupid
Yes,
thing.
Guruji. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Unnecessary theme. That is the only thing you need
Okay.
in WordPress. Astra, Pastra, DB and DB all are waste.
Mm-hmm.
If they have been so good, na, Deepak would have been using. Why Deepak is using GeneratePress?
Mm-hmm.
Please set up website analytics. Then go to themes. Remove this, and DB, Ocean WP, delete.
Mm-hmm.
29.
Themes generate press and ocean. I mean, appearance you are changing now.
No, I'm changing everything, don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm changing everything.
No. We just want to check. No, to learn what like.
All these unnecessary themes in your WordPress makes your website heavy.
Okay.
Okay, now time to delete your plugins.
No, you just used generate press as one theme. That's it. Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay.
All-in-one SEO, all-in-one WP migration, Bloom, contact widgets, DB Builder, easy affiliate links. You can try. Not required. Google Analytics for WordPress, not required. Header footer code manager required. Loadly not required. Hotjar not required. Lightspeed caching required. Not required. This one not required.
Site is not required, Guruji.
Not required. You will add everything in the header footer code manager.
Mm-hmm.
The Kamna and all those people don't know anything.
Mm.
If they had known anything, they would not have been working with DDIT.
Mm.
They would have started their own business, like me.
Mm.
Their salary, you will be surprised to know. They are getting 30,000, 35,000 rupees.
Package.
Salary per month.
Mm.
I remember a person who was offered 18,000 rupees from DD Digital Deepak.
Oh.
And the person is now making approximately 3 to 10 lakh rupees per month. That is his name is Sandeep Bhansali. He is from Pune.
Oh.
Yeah, he is making lakhs of rupees per month, and he was offered 18,000 rupees from Digital Deepak to become a mentor like Divya Kothari.
Oh. 18 is it?
Yeah, 1/8. So you have to come to your website regularly, and if you see these plugins, update always them. Always keep these plugins updated.
Okay.
And whenever you see this kind of message, always take care of these messages.
Oh.
Don't leave anything unattended on your website.
Okay.
So if it is saying
it's good to have anti-spam.
yeah, this is
good to have this.
yes, because this is a blog, na. So many people will be coming and spamming. So, going to customize, you can customize everything about your website. So, digital Suraj, logo, what is this? So, site identity you can change whenever you want, and layout you can change. So, header should be current, navigation before, navigation after, or navigation after center. This one is good. Primary navigation, full content. You can play with these settings. Okay, you should play.
Okay.
You should play. There is nothing wrong in playing with these settings.
Okay.
So next is general. Icon type SVG. Underline links always. Okay. Homepage settings. Homepage settings are latest posts.
Okay.
Okay. So blog. This is your blog. Okay. And I think session is getting very long, man. More than enough for
That is interesting, Guruji.
Yeah, it is interesting.
Yeah, but I know I'm taking a valuable time.
So here, if you go here.
So, yes, Guruji. So that part I will focus only on blogs, is it? That's all.
Yeah. So
in that website.
If you go here, this is your website, and here in this website you can create a page, new link.
Okay.
And here you can say blog. And here you can say digitalsuraj.com. Done.
Okay.
Sorry. Digitalsuraj.com. So it is HTTPS. Done. Publish. These are few things we do not know, but now we should know.
Okay. So in this Google page is basically my introduction page, like that.
Yeah, this is your website, man. Don't underestimate it. You are underestimating it right now. It is very
No,
powerful.
Vijay. No, see,
See.
this particular web page, yeah, I want to know. This will be it is something like my face. This web page will represent me, like that.
Yeah, this is home page. You can change it every day, no problem. You can change it every day. So here, if somebody is coming to your website, digitalsuraj.com,
Okay.
so this is actually not digitalsuraj.com, it is www.digitalsuraj.com, right? So don't forget this. So here they have an option blog, right? When they click on this,
Okay.
they will go to your blog. And here,
But
one minute,
yes.
here,
Hmm.
here, mm, here you can manage. So about custom links about me, and here you can type https www.digitalsuraj.com, add to menu, and here you can put it here and this one here and save menu. Now, if you are going to your website, you have about me and about, right? So when people click on about me, they will go to this website.
Oh.
So here you will write everything about yourself, right?
Okay.
So this is how things work. That is how ecosystem is created. You will take some time to understand, don't worry.
Yeah.
So take your time, stop using unnecessary things like plugins. Now you have 5 plugins only. So for everything you need to add your code here in settings.
Okay.
Header for the code, my Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Facebook Pixel or whatever.
Okay.
And you have Yoast SEO. That is more than enough. That's all. Your blog is totally set up now. Your blog is totally set up now. Digital Suraj, contact me. Right. So
Yeah.
here contact me menu. And where is that Google form? This is the Google form. Copy and come here. So contact me, and the link should be, we have to remove it. We have to put custom link. Contact me. This link. Add to menu. Save menu. Now contact me. People are clicking on contact me. They are going to Google Forms. So this is how things work. Do not mention your email ID. Do not mention your email ID or phone number anywhere on your website.
Okay.
Not recommended. So how to develop better marketing skills with digital marketing? You can write this content and everything. And in the last you can have a widget that is called auditor or editor, something like that. It comes here automatically. Maybe in next session I will tell. Maybe next session I will explain. Then in the last you can add your name, regards Suraj, and here under that, below that you can say contact me and link that to Google Form. And in starting also, after after one paragraph or two paragraphs, you should write here. So this is Sunil Suraj.
Okay.
Something like that.
Mhm.
First is first paragraph. After first paragraph, immediately you should introduce yourself to
Okay.
build your authority.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, home is something we have to remove. Same menu. Home is not required, na?
Mm-hmm.
हाँ. Blog is also not required because it is coming by default, right?
Yeah.
Digital source. So blogs are coming automatically. When they are clicking on about me, they are going to there. They are clicking on contact me, they are going to Google form. That is how things should work. And that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Happy?
And then, yes, yeah, really happy with it.
So you have to create one video testimonial for me today. I have given you almost 3 hours.
Yeah, sure, Guru. Definitely I will create.
So I am waiting for your video testimonial with full of energy. Okay.
Sure, Guru. Yes.
Then we will connect again with if you have any doubts or whatever.
Okay.
There is no problem in connecting. And I think you have joined my Sunil Times Guruji Digital Empire, right? By paying 499?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Then,
Guru, and one more final question. So in my
hey,
Google...
don't ask me.
Google just 2 minutes, Guru, that's all. Okay. In my Google website, no, in the... like you... so first point is like if user is searching Digital Suraj, so whether he will come to my blog or my website.
Actually, what happens
Because
after
I think it is both name are common. Right?
when Google understands you na for some time, it understands everything. So just type Just Bazaar and see here. Just Bazaar is here. Add your business listing here. Contact us here about Just Bazaar online shop, and more results. So everything will come here. See. OC is also coming here.
Okay.
And now let me show you Sunil Times. So see, Sunil Times Guruji is coming courses.
Okay.
Courses, Sunil Times Guruji internship program, Facebook. So it will understand. Don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. Google understands.
Okay.
Google is so smart. So actually when I am writing Guruji, it is giving this result. Okay, so Guruji has more respect. Sunil Times is not enough. Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. No questions now. We will connect again. Okay.
And final last one more question.
Bye man. Bye.
Sorry, Guruji. So in my Google website, that home you created there, what are the contents that I need to focus? If you just tell me, I will work on it and I will get back to you.
You just create it. Just make it attractive.
Yes. That home, in that Google.
So you go to sites.google.com and this is your home and this is your services landing page.
Okay.
So just click them and try to edit. Do it. I mean, look at my website, look at some other digital marketers' website, then take reference, use your own imagination. Then just Digital Suraj. Make it impressive.
Okay.
And show it to the people in Telegram group. Yeah, I have created my website. Please have a look and suggest me changes. So bother them, na?
Okay. Yeah.
And I will also check. I will also have a look.
Yes. Sure, good. And
welcome to the digital marketing. I mean, I'm just writing. You can change it.
Yes, I'll edit. Yeah.
Digital marketing world, and 36 and this. So there are many things you need to understand first of all.
Yes, yeah.
Single, then you have to, add space before paragraph, then single, double, whatever. So this is by digital singers. So okay,
Yes, could be.
and you
Could be
can
one more
put
thing.
your photo also here if you
Uh-huh.
want.
Okay.
Otherwise, I mean, don't put photo here. I mean, your choice.
Okay.
Then you have a whole page, na? You can continue creating anything. So many
Okay.
options on the right side. Take 1 week to learn. Take 2 weeks
Yeah.
to learn. Then refer to this website. He is the master.
Okay.
He is my guru.
Okay.
He is my guru.
Sure. Okay.
So Stigal, he is my guru.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this website. This is in Google,
Yeah.
and how awesome it is.
Yes.
And if you can tell me how to do this one, this animation is here, na?
Okay. It's moving.
Yeah. If you can tell me this, I will be grateful to you. That is your homework.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
And see here button.
Mm.
Don't you think it is good looking?
Yeah, really, it's good.
And see this image.
Mm.
So it totally depends on your imagination. You can create anything.
Mm-hmm.
You know what is the cost of this website?
Mm-hmm.
Any idea?
No, Guruji.
It is more than 10 CR.
Oh. Mm.
Yeah. And then let me show you website worth.
Mm.
That is my imagination.
Mm.
More than 10 CR. The real
Oh.
approximate value will be here.
Mm-hmm. So this is determined based on the number of clicks, number of user access.
Yeah, something like that.
Mm-hmm. There are some parameters.
This report below is 544 days old. Update.
Mm-hmm.
Up to date.
Mm.
So $44,641.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So it means to INR. 1000, 10,000, lakh. So it is 33 lakh rupees.
Mm-hmm.
But actually it is more than 10 CR.
Mm-hmm.
This person is making more than 2 CR every month.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Stigal.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this report is actually 544 days old.
Mm-hmm.
It is not the new report. Maybe in few days it will be updated.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you can see, let me show you digitalsuraj.com. What is happening? Anything happening? So insufficient website traffic.
Mm-hmm.
And if you type suniltimes.com,
Mm-hmm.
see his website he was telling, his website he was telling $44,000. My website is just 5 months old. He is telling that 29,000. So 29,000 means approximately how much? 17 lakhs?
Mm-hmm.
No. This.
Yeah.
So 22 lakh rupees.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? This is the right cost?
Yeah, yes.
No, see this is the
value
right.
is more.
This is the right cost because just because of this website, I am able to generate my income, na? So this is my shop, digital shop,
Yeah.
and okay, let's see what is the worth of our guru, Digital Deepak, digitaldeepak.com. 27 days old. See,
Mm.
bamboo. This is called Bamboo. So 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 12 CR. See, this is the website worth of Digital Deepak. And let me check my company's website. That is very old. Just Bazaar. This is also old, but still we can check.
So here in Just Bazaar, what is the service that you offer, Gurji?
I provide SEO services.
Oh,
So this is the 76 lakh rupees. Approximately. I mean, nobody is going to pay. That is another thing. But people can pay. We are going to sell the blog. They can pay approximately 40 to 50 lakh rupees easily. So anybody can pay 10 lakh rupees for suniltimes.com also, maybe 5 lakh. So, but it is not easy to sell digital websites and all those things. It's not easy because people prefer that I will create my own website, I will run sales funnels and everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay then,
And,
Suraj.